The Honda CB500R 2025 model continues to solidify its reputation as a versatile, performance-oriented sport bike, perfect for a wide range of riders. This latest iteration blends sharp aesthetics, practical features, and a thrilling yet manageable riding experience. Its aggressive styling is influenced by Honda's larger supersport models, with aerodynamic bodywork and LED lighting enhancing its modern appeal. The 471 AC-controlled parallel twin engine delivers a balance of power and efficiency, producing a smooth torque curve ideal for city commutes and spirited highway rides. The engine features a DOHC configuration and fuel injection system for precise throttle response and optimal fuel efficiency, making it an economical choice for daily use. Equipped with a lightweight chassis, the CBR500R offers excellent handling and stability. The steel diamond tube frame ensures a robust yet agile ride, complemented by a 40 Nm Showa SFF BP inverted fork, which provides superior front-end feel and improved cornering confidence. At the rear, a Pro-Link monoshock with adjustable preload enhances comfort and control whether riding solo or with a passenger. The bike features 17-inch cast aluminum wheels with sporty radial tires, ensuring grip and stability across various conditions. Braking duties are handled by dual piston calipers on a 320/10 front disc and a single piston caliper on a 200/410 rear disc, both paired with ABS for enhanced safety. Rider ergonomics are finely tuned to balance sporty performance with everyday comfort. The slightly forward-leaning riding position offers an engaging feel without being too aggressive, while the sculpted seat provides ample support for extended journeys. The 4.5-gallon fuel tank, combined with the bike's efficient engine, allows for impressive range between refueling stops. A modern LCD display provides clear and comprehensive information, including a gear position indicator, fuel gauge, and trip computer. The addition of an assist/slipper clutch ensures smooth downshifts and reduced clutch lever effort, enhancing overall ride quality. Designed for accessibility, the CBR500R has a manageable seat height of 31.1 inches, making it suitable for a wide range of riders. The compact dimensions and relatively lightweight make it easy to maneuver in tight spaces. With its aggressive styling, refined performance, and practical features, the Honda CBR500R 2025 is an ideal choice for both new riders seeking confidence and experienced enthusiasts looking for a dependable, fun-to-ride machine. Whether carving through twisty roads or navigating urban streets, this bike excels in delivering an engaging and versatile riding experiences.